Welcome to the Fresh Music, brought to you by The Bubba Show. I'm invited, or I'm being hosted by Undo Mr. Slacker. That's it.
Hey, say, G, Grand Buff. Hey, it's so good, man.
Okay.
Easy Monday, eh?
Yeah, for sure.
Always. No, let's chop it.
Let's chop it up.
Let's chop it. So let's just handle it, yeah, boy. See.
Okay, cool. So it's Peswa, so new music, fresh music. We have now Big Zulu and MT. Bakipile dog,
Hey man, I saw we to go to bed too. Well, actually, we shot an episode. Hey, so now we have Ziggy's and where's Enzeg.
Oh, my
we lost the footage.
Yeah.
But yeah, get soon.
Yeah, let's go. So finally the song dropped. It's what I was expecting and more. Well, I'm a bit like disappointed in review about what I ain't gonna support before you gonna pull me. Well, like emva ukuthi record the hook abantu abonela ama snippet lawo nalawo they started saying I Big Zulu uzoshizela and stuff, yabo.
But just to add on something first, I think that's what they wanted to actually achieve. Ngokuleaky hook.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, because
it's a marketing.
It's a marketing strategy, and I think it works to their advantage. The last time I checked, it was on 1 million views in about how many days? 5 days. 5 days. 5 days. No, they did really well, dog. Like I'm a very Big Zulu, I'm surprised. I like the flow. I like ukuthi akaqinisa voice ulithambisele. Again, we did talk about it. Ukuthi Big Zulu, they sound like South African Drake, you know what I mean? Like they mixing this singing thing with rap, you know what I mean? I wouldn't say Drake, but just dance coming up. So yeah, in Pumele, we got Murikereki Raindrop. I feel like in our mixed emotions. I feel like party like the couple of bars might uthatha amashot to Casper. Yeah, listen to it nicely. Like, family first and sure. Yeah, it is. Second verse, I would say it's just lashing out to the industry of it. Well, no good say it sounds like he knew he was gonna die, or I don't know. It sounds like we recorded because I'm gone. I won't come back or something like that. We be like, okay, let me check alone. You know what I mean? You predict it in the movie or something like that. But it's a dope song. Nothing that you'll repeat on a daily. It's not a hit. It's not a hit.
It's a good rap song. He takes his time when it comes to music. Why it was when's a low offense.
If you look back, Ricky was in Umuntu or keeping Goma also a certifier from the first 5 listens.
Yeah.
Now look at how it was built up.
Exactly.
It was lashed by the industry. The sound
exactly.
It wasn't a normal hip hop beat.
Yeah.
But he was rapping So he's good in mastering my sound, Rick. I really applaud him, and I really respect him. And for Utimpe to lashing to Casper.
Yeah.
Because the time Ricky Ashona.
Yeah.
Well, I want to relationship with Cass wasn't that well.
Yeah.
So it sounds like
I might be wrong. More to I'm correct. It's okay. But that's just how I see it. That's how it sounds in my ears. What else is new? Key Kid. Kipile, Bite the Bullet, that's the name of the album.
Sure.
I like 2 tracks from it. I thought.
Sure.
So Dilemma featuring Aries.
Sure.
That track is sick.
Sure.
Especially with Visla but Visla Aries Lindsay. Yeah, it is. But Suguba High Hopes featuring Pretty Ugly.
Sure.
I was waiting. That's it. Album there, I was waiting for ukuthi kube khona ingoma no Pretty Ugly. Then ngizothe mangiyascrolla down ngampela ikhona because intro le album
sound like pretty ugly, bro.
Sure.
Not the entire thing, but my psychology, those few bars sounds like pretty ugly. So I think unasasandla influencer K-Kid.
Yeah, because they worked on a track, ne?
Yeah.
Which track which track they worked on?
Mina le engizwile nje ile. The thing was ke angiyazi history yakhe kakhulu yabo. But engizwile bengiqala ukuzobuka yona le High Hopes. And it was dope, bro. It was something that I was expecting. Kwingoma eninga feature zona uKK Daiga bamdlile. But ke
for a female rapper,
she's dope. She's dope.
Who can you like?
She's dope and she's fresh.
Rate with on the female rappers. Yeah, but right now, would she like?
I say she takes it. I say she takes it right now.
Because it's been a while since you last saw Uruchi. Because she's been like handling that.
I say she's taking it over, man. Also, keep another nakai. I be gay preacher. I don't think it's gonna slap. So gay preacher. I hopefully lose prove her wrong. I don't think it's gonna slap. What else? What else? Gusho by Casper dog. We did touch up. We'll be on our. But let's get into it. I personally think it's a dope song, especially Mozilla PK. I always emphasize on that. It's one of those trending kind of songs. It is because it's on TikTok. But when you listen to the actual song, it's actually dope. Yeah.
So you can say Mufasa is back.
Not fully. It just needs to convince more people. So Banglan is convincing. So I do convince more people.
But what do you think made him like not drop the ball but take it a back seat? Is it because of like his personal life? Because if you can just judge from like his last offering, like a full project, it was it Any Minute Now? He did drop his Suits and Shorts, I think too.
Yeah, and then this last album that he dropped, which didn't do well.
Which was it again?
I forgot the title. I forgot the title, bro. But this last album, Le Whipa, I find izinto zesonto ngaphandle.
Oh yeah, Solomon. Solomon.
That's the latest album.
Well, Mina, I don't lie. I didn't listen to that album. I didn't listen to that
You're
album.
not the old one, bro. But
not because I'm bored, but I just didn't listen to it.
But just to answer your question, so mina ngithi kona konke nokuthi nesikhathi. So mangithi nesikhathi, isikhathi sokuthi ivolume ehle kancane kubona sesifikile. Intwana seyifikile. Nokuthi ke seba amarazo, yabo. Sekukhona nobrazo. Neyinkinga zabo ubrazo. With music game now with personal life because sebenencwaye bashadile babe nama complications no baby mama you know all those stories. So zonke lezi zinto lezi zoba na impact. You won't be able to focus fully on your music. It takes you time unless you're gonna lash out on your music and write parts. It's not easy.
Just to touch on Casper, like what's your favorite projects at Casper?
The first one, Tulufelo, ne? I hope you bought it. Yeah. Oh, enye futhi, I'm sorry, bengi fan nga Casper, not a lot much, but bengi fan.
Tuto. Mina it's like Tuto is like my favorite like project at Casper because I think I dumb it down on his pen game. Casper is a good writer. I won't say he's like a great deliver. But on writing, he's very good. Pen game like he's sick.
But some of them undermine it though. But they keep on saying, or they've been saying, pen game I equal that much. We can get marketing in pen. Man, I really disagree with that. I think his pen game is not up there, but his pen game is good. With him again, it's figure dog. I'm really proud. I have not to put my topic, but I'm really proud of MT, bro. M2 been a one-man show. Abantu ba pull up, abo Eris, abo Nestese, abo Smamane, abo Tony, the Javas, the Big Zulus, bro. and like khona like clip ngiyibonile wePi like ama fans a chance bro I chat igama la MT and that nigga was just crying bro. It was an emotional moment bro. Kumnandi ukubona umuntu futhi thina ke mina personally angaze ngayokumvuma angaze ngayokumthanda ever since kusewile mina ngangakuboni lokho yabo. But I'm glad ukuthi abantu sebephinde ba realize ukuthi hayi iGoat isakhona mfethu. Abo bathu Big Zulu umvusile ngale yabo. Nah. Ukhiphe album. Come on.
Hey, dog.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. We've been fed a lot of projects.
Exactly.
But I'm hoping to get it's the best project to come off on this decade. Like it's from 2015
refreshing
till now.
music.
Yo, bro.
MT, dog. Bro.
Yes, what I actually like love about the MT page.
Yeah.
About MT page too. I think we compared to like hip hop culture, bro.
Yeah.
Lam Chidabetu, he's so influential.
Cool.
Lam Chidabetu, he's always gonna be relevant. Whether
and
one thing about him that doesn't change.
Lam
Chidabetu, hey, bro.
Yeah, wadlula wonke ama-odds bro. The time
21
dog.
Abazazi bafuna because like people have been like MCs khona mfana abantu Jmon yabo le
mkhumbula you remember
kuthiwa talk akana KFC manje yabo lo hustle dog
hustler
I've had an opportunity to cut MCs there yabo it was 2018 hey man that man he's genuine bro
genuine the realest
mind you at that time I had a lot of like not self-doubt, but I didn't believe in myself as much as I do now. But when I gave him a haircut, I took pictures of that and he went to the mirror and he came back. He was like, "Hey, you good man?
Oh, dang,
you good."
The realest.
So that guy, I think, that's why his music is always gonna escalate like this. Because into Eshaya, like. I'm a artist. He's changing.
Kufika into ethile hambe nalokho.
That guy that gave us like pure ATM sound on the project that he released of which is something so to MT I don't lie dog. Right now, Mina, if I rate like the top 10 MCs in South Africa. Yes, take number 1, dog. I'm a Reese fan. I'm no cap. I'm a Reese fan. I fuck with like A Reese. But A Reese to release a very dope project. But let me tell you something, dog. MT. MT dog, he never missed, bro.
I got gauge, dog. I got gauge, and that's what I like about him. Got because I've been watching a couple of clicks online. Imam Malak is playing a big role with Impelinac right now. MT Kokayile and he's doing major moves. He looks sober. Gama interviews manje mhlambe 3 noma 4 sengwabukile landelana dog. That nigga is sober. And abantu like babe comment abathi akusayena kuma MT umthembeni thina sifuna MT which is lawyer MT lawyer and that's not good though bro like society inomqondo ophedayo abo because futhi abantu bamotivate abethi must keep it up abo because angiboni ukuthi angabuyenzile le show le ngale ndlela enziwe ngathi uqhubena lezi ingqondo zakhe yabo but ke mfethu all in all I'm happy for the guy more new music. Should we dive in?
Sure, so Yanga just released a project.
Fargo.
Like in Bonil, if it's on YouTube, it was like uploading some barber show videos. Every week, dog. I've been seeing What If is number 1.
1.2, man. 1.2 million streams on Spotify. Is doing really good. I'm gonna take back some of the things that I said previously about him and his album. Because I took time and I listened to it nicely and okay, cool. So Drakensberg, I think the name of the song, I like that song. kube abafuna ungidiva noma bandiva. That song is dope. Kube nenye hands up, so I think it's hands up. That one is dope.
Sure.
Again, when it comes to Amakorasi, I'm still complaining.
Sure.
He could have done better, bro. He could have brought in more people who are gonna actually do a better job. Who can must stick and verse.
Sure.
But it's a proper album. I'll still give it 7.5.
Sure.
Yeah, 7.5. Yeah, it's
Well, mina ke bethu phela kuyenzeka into uyithande abanye abantu bengayithandi kuyenzeka futhi abantu bayithanda into ongayithandi.
Yeah.
So like masilalela like when we criticizing music, I think we should look at how people receive it.
Yeah.
So mina nje bethu I'd love, because angazi yini isikhathi ngayo on the project.
Yeah.
But I'd love to give Ilo in what if it's a 10 out of 10. You saw the Natasha Tahanes rapping like ingoba iphume ngayizolo ngathi bayithola bona kwathiwa ani-memorize le ngoma because phela bona they have that access. But I saw the song drop last night, but the next morning Natasha is doing a whole verse. She's like into it.
But don't you think it's the same thing that you said earlier on, which is marketing? So which means vele say dropile kwabanye abantu already.
But the masses didn't receive it like that.
Yeah.
So
no, it took off.
Mina ngithi ngizwile ukuthi ngitheni.
It took off.
Ngithenge ngikhulumela for the masses.
Yeah.
So that song is a 10 out of 10. Like if it's kwagcina nini mfethu ukuthi kube nevesi that people can just wanna memorize from start to beginning. So it took Uyanga to do that, bro. Give Young flowers, man. Everybody's just saying, what if?
No, Mark Lera, when it comes to amavesi, mina ngowami yona namavesi ami mikwayo noma abantu abawareza abawaziyo. Come on, waplo apha ngevesi uMark Lera tag. Ayisho nangengoma waplo apha ngevesi leli imepa with the mesh beats. What do vest dog? I get what you're saying, but like I feel like you're being too extreme. Like there are niggas who popped with just verses, sure. But I get what you're saying. Mina, I just feel like that song is warm. I feel like that song it's more like an anthem, dog.
Sure.
I feel like it's our DNA. It's telling our past, our current, and possibly our future too at the same time.
Oh, should see it's in general and Basale.
Kinda, yeah, exactly, but a hip hop version. Yeah,
something like that.
Something like that, not exactly because it's just talking about what if though.
So it's a matter of asking yourself, why wouldn't you believe in yourself?
Yeah.
Because it wouldn't be like this if Shabalala said he can't hit it.
Yeah, exactly.
But man, that's a dope concept. That's what I'm saying. I give it a 10 out of 10, man. What's content wrong about it?
No, there's nothing wrong, but you can't give it a 10, dog. Like there is a space to criticize there, bruh. It's not a 100 song. Like give it maybe like a 9 at least. If you think it's a 10 out of 10, give it a 9.5 at least. And give like 5% of your mistake. Okay, cool. Im nan la chorus. Me personally, nah, I don't think it's whack. But yeah, so yabona ukuthi khona 5% kumele subonyule mfethu kuleyo 10.
But yeah, you did a great job.
Kakhulu. No, it's a top song. I think it's number 1. Mangayona number 1 uPixulu MC, but because ziyalandelana though. They're doing good numbers. Phumile video yakhona? Nah,
not yet. So I'm just confident with everything that we touched on.
Yeah.
I think compared to Amachita, to Asalokshi, I keep it.
Yeah, but keep it all off.
Keep it to drop the project.
Yeah. Legacy EP. Yeah. Okay, cool. So many I could drop it off to Legacy EP. Beautiful music. Mina zami ngithandayo imali. Yona ngithanda kakhulu. Nani ne do better. Yeah. Again, it's a dope album. I like what he took his time. Ama features akhona engwakhumbulayo uMaraza, uyena ikumkani ile ngoma le yamawalawala. It's also a dope song. Iyona angicanga ukuthi yabe single yokuqala yayo. It's very sick. Shout out to him. I'll rate it. Yabona ke nansi kudinga edingo o 9.5 no 10 out of 10. Abama projects anje ngomeni kanje. So I'll give it a 9.5 dog. I'll give it a 9.5. Solid. Kakhulu. Solid.
The time if compared to
Solid dog.
Sakibela 9 to Gateway. It was 2019 if not 2018.
Yeah.
And telling me that ukuthi bethu kwamanje usaqawukile ku music.
Yeah.
Unentwana so
Yeah.
he's a fan for his youngin.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ibe ngiyangijabulisa but at the same time yanginika ubuhlungu omncane
Yeah. So lose yakhe manje.
So kuyisibusisa ukuthi went to Joburg.
Dude.
Yeah, bethu wafike wathola bethu ile
Support, wathola lo, wathola umndeni
bethu. Ulokho esiqinile ngesipani.
Hey, siyabonga mfethu. Online yabonga kakhulu.
So it's a blessing.
Kakhulu. Asiphinde futhi sithatha on kwile kolova mfethu abangani bethu.
Sure.
Niggas dropped amabhaketo othando ne EP ingoma entathu.
Sure.
Beautiful music. Inqomo ke mfethu. I listened to it like maybe twice or 3 times. Mina igqomo it's mamanzo lenza kahle libe namavesi arama njengabo. It's always going to be perfect.
Sure.
Yeah, so the dabin quite movement, music movement. They pushing is sick. Maskets abo siyazi nathi Antwerp online. Shout out to the gang. They're really working. They're really putting in the work. They're representing our cold dog. Tetela maskets, teteli ngoma, or teteli project. That's a lot of work. So shout out to all of Neil Alele Bafeti EP abiphumile. What else?
I think it's a rap.
It's a rap, no?
Because touch based on almost in and we're just looking at even working with the artists that are up and coming.
Yeah.
So artists can actually submit their work on WhatsApp for my performances. So this kind of show about start with the performance and about it. That's pushing it, dog. Catch us on the next episode. You know what it is.
Cool.
Fresh music at the barber show. Slug away.
Cool.
Showcase.